Sunay, Cavite, Bayang Karerista, kayo ang bida.
Gates open, they're up and racing. Fearless Boss moving a party outside is Pure Joy. Then followed by the rail by Top Spin running in between runners Amsterdam. Sobrang Class running on the outside Peep. Then moving up Elusive Winged Cheerleader by the rail. Next in line is Sabuhin followed by Gypsy Gray and trailing the group is Midnight Bell passing the half-mile pole. 3A, and that's Pure Joy in command by about a length and a half, followed by Amsterdam in second. Elusive Wind is by the Fearless Boss moving up is the favorite. Sobrang Class on the outside taking the fourth spot and still improving, rounding towards the 450 with Pure Joy still the leader. Amsterdam in second. Sobrang Class moving up on the outside. Elusive Wind is by the last they turn for home. It's still Pure Joy leading the field, running by the Elusive Wind running in between runners Amsterdam. Sobrang Class moving up on the outside. Now we have Sobrang Class moves up to grab the lead. Pure Joy, Amsterdam in between runners, and leading the finish line it's going to be Sobrang Class, Amsterdam, Pure Joy, Elusive Wind, then comes Top Spin, Fearless Boss, Sabuhin.